Correspondence published Monday in the New England Journal of Medicine provided details of a study suggesting that patients who received a second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech still show strong antibody protection against circulating variants of SARS-CoV-2, though that response was lower against the South African variant of the virus. The study, which has not yet been peer-reviewed, was conducted by researchers from Pfizer, BioNTech and the University of Texas Medical Branch, involved the study of 20 samples of blood from 15 volunteers in Pfizer's Phase 3 clinical trial of its vaccine. The samples had been taken 2 or 4 weeks after the patients had received the second dose of the vaccine. The blood samples were then exposed to different SARS-CoV-2 viruses that contained the key mutations found in the UK B.1.1.7 variant, Brazilian P.1 variant and South African B.1.351 variants. These were compared to samples exposed to the most common circulating virus. After exposing blood samples to the viruses, the researchers then examined whether antibodies were successful at neutralizing the viral mutations. After examining the results, the researchers found that the response to the B.1.1.7 and P.1 variants was virtually the same as to the standard virus. The response to the B.1.351 was robust, but lower, the researchers wrote. Although the researchers are clear that the results must be validated by real-world evidence, these are nevertheless encouraging signs that the vaccine should remain effective against new versions of COVID-19, albeit potentially not as much as previously thought. The rise of new variant SARS-CoV-2 viruses has caused alarm among public health officials and pharmaceutical executives alike, given the potential that vaccines may not be as effective. A more robust study published in Nature on Monday also suggested patients fully vaccinated by either the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines showed lower immune responses against the B.1.351 variant. To combat this, Moderna submitted a version of its vaccine specific to the B.1.351 variant to NIH for study in February. Pfizer and BioNTech are also working to develop a vaccine specific to this variant, and have also begun a clinical study to determine whether a third dose of the vaccine would improve how well it works against new variants. The flexibility of our proprietary mRNA vaccine platform allows us to technically develop booster vaccines within weeks, if needed, Ugur Sahin, CEO of BioNTech said in a statement. Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.